Hi students, all of you welcome. Welcome to Sunil Engineering Academy. I am Sunil Kumar Bandaru. Students, today we are going to practice RRB previous year questions on general science physics. Okay, all of you please try to share to your friends. Yes, let us start the session, guys. Coming to the first question. What is the thrust on unit area called dash? What is the thrust on unit area? Very easy question. All of you try to give the answer in the chat box. We know very well. Pressure is equal to force by unit area. Force by unit area. And we can also say that thrust. So thrust is nothing but it is one type of force which is acting upward direction. If it is a surface, it is perpendicular. Okay. The perpendicular force to the surface is nothing but you can say thrust. You can say thrust. So you can also say that thrust by unit area. Okay. Newton per meter square is a unit. So the answer is option D, pressure. Force by unit area or thrust by unit area is nothing but you can say pressure. Coming to the next question. A very easy question. What is the concept of spherical lenses? What is the concept of spherical lenses? Very easy question. Very easy question. Yes, we know very well in the mirrors, we have the concept is reflection. Correct. In case of lenses, refraction. Refraction. Okay, whenever the light ray strikes the mirror, what will happen? It will be reflected back. So, mirrors reflection concept. Lenses, if it is a lens, whenever light strikes the lens, it will be just bend. It changes its direction little bit. So that is nothing but you can say refraction concept. So lenses they are asking refraction concept, light refraction. Answer is option B, light refraction. If they are asking about mirrors, that is a reflection. Very good, Narayan Rao. This is a lenses in the sense refraction. Okay, so here options are somewhat of here A, if you can consider it is the B, it is the C, it is the D. Okay. Yes, good evening, Venkat. Coming to the next one, a very easy question. The refractive indexes or indices of four substances A, B, C, D are 1.33, 1.47, 1.71 and 1.65 respectively. In which substance is the speed of light is maximum? Come on, very easy question. Very easy question. We have already discussed this type of question in our topic wise MCQs. In the light MCQs, we have discussed this. We know very well what is the refractive index. Mu is considered as refractive index, that is speed of light by speed of medium. Speed of light is a constant, correct? 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So if you can consider speed of light in a substance, mu is inversely proportional to V or V is inversely proportional to mu. So speed of light in any substance or any medium is inversely proportional with the refractive index. So if you want to get maximum, speed, the refractive index must be lower. So which is the low refractive index? This one is the low refractive index. So maximum speed light will flow with a maximum speed. So that is option A. So here we have to be careful, guys. Whenever we got the answer as A, we will click this one. But option A is the B, so it is wrong. Don't make a mistake like that. So A is here. Okay, so answer is option D. Answer is option D. So the examiner trying to confuse you. Okay, be careful here. Coming to the next one. All of you getting at least this type of one question we can expect in the examination. Not only in this. In case of mathematics, in case of reasoning also they will give same type. What is the force required to keep the object sliding on the surface with the same speed? Sliding on the surface with the same speed. Which force is required for that? Very, very easy question. As the name itself, we have the answer. A very easy question. Very good, Uppalapati. So, to slide on the surface, we require sliding friction. So, whenever there is some friction, then only it can be moved with the same speed. With the same speed. So, answer is option A. What is the frequency range of ultrasound? A very easy question and repeated question. Ultrasound frequency. Very good, Aran, Ashish, Venkat. A very easy question. We know very well. What is the meaning of the word ultra? Ultra means you can say more, superior, premium, great, higher. So we have all this type of the meanings. Okay, we know what is the normal voice frequency or normal sound frequency. So audible frequency 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Correct. So whenever the frequency of sound is greater than this high value, so ultra means higher, so greater than this high value 20 kilohertz, you can say that is the ultrasound. Human may not detect, but some animals and some creatures can detect the ultrasound. Okay, in the same way, whenever the frequency of sound less than 20 hertz, then what we can say this one? Less than 20 hertz. Greater than 20 kilohertz, ultrasound. Less than 20 hertz, come on, infrasonic. Infrasonic. Okay, if it is between 20 to 20 kilohertz, that is audible frequency of the sound. Okay, so here ultrasound above or greater than 20 kilohertz. Answer is option D. Coming to the next question. Coming to the next question. Very good, Ashish Kumar. How much work is done when 1 coulomb charge moves against a potential difference of 1 volt? Very easy one. They have given charge and potential difference. Charge Q given 1 coulomb, potential difference 1 volt. Then what is the work done? Let me check who will give the correct answer. Here in the theory class of physics, in the electricity topic, I have given voltage or potential is equal to work done on unit positive charge. Work done on unit positive charge. From that, work done is equal to voltage into charge now. So voltage 1 volt, charge is 1 coulomb. Okay, 1 coulomb. So 1 into 1, 1. So here work done, joules. Okay, so joule. That means here they have given all the options are 1, 1, 1 means what is the intention of the examiner? The intention is nothing but units are different. So we have to know the units. If we know that work units are joule, within 1 second we can give the answer. No need to calculate and no need to all this. Correct. That is the trick. If here work done, units are joules, all are 1111 means joule is only one option. So directly you can give the answer as option D. Okay. No need of thinking here. Coming to the next one, all of you getting my point? So units are very important. Coming to the next one. Sound travels in a medium as a dash. Sound travel in a medium as a dash. Very good question. They have not given directly, they have given as indirectly. Most of the students are not participating, just watching. Yes, very good. We know very well. Sound is the mechanical wave. It requires medium for their propagation, and it is propagated as longitudinal wave. Longitudinal wave. So how the longitudinal waves are? So L for parallel. I have given the trick. L for parallel. So here all the particles vibrate parallel to the direction of propagation of wave. Here how they will be propagate? Here in some places they will be very high density. In some places it will be low density. Again high density. That means particles are near to each other here. Here particles are far from each other. So these are nothing but you can say compressions. These are nothing but you can say rare fractions. So again compressions. Again rare fractions we will get. So the distance between the two compressions is nothing but you can say wavelength. Wavelength is denoted by lambda. Very important, that one also. Okay. So in case of longitudinal, we have compressions and rare fractions. In case of transverse wave, how the particles are moving? Perpendicular, like this. Okay. So this upper part is nothing but you can say crest. This is the maximum point, and lower point is nothing but you can say tra. Okay. So in case of transverse, all the particles will be vibrate perpendicular. Okay. So upper part, that is maximum point, is nothing but positive maximum is nothing but crest. Negative maximum is nothing but you can say tra. Okay. So sound waves in a medium propagated as longitudinal wave in which compressions and rare fractions are formed. On increasing the temperature of solids, the kinetic energy of the particles is dash. The kinetic energy of the particles is dash. Again, very easy question. Very good. Yes, we know very well. As temperature increases, then its kinetic energy will be increases. Particles will be separate, so they will be move faster. So move faster means their kinetic energy is increases. So the answer is option C. The force of attraction between all masses in the universe, especially the attraction of the earth mass for bodies near its surface, is called as dash. Again, very easy one. Very good. That is a gravitational force. We know what is the formula for the gravitational force. This gravitational force is directly proportional to product of those two masses and the distance between those two square. M1, M2. If the distance between is D, you can take instead of D as R also. That is your wish. If you remove the proportionality constant, you will get G. dm1 m2 by d square or r square. Okay, d or nothing but can say distance between the two objects. Okay, coming to the next one. What is reduced by a lubricant? Yes, lubricant is nothing but it is used to reduce the friction. Reduce friction. Friction in the sense how we can get the friction. Whenever there is a interlocking, then only we will get the friction. Okay. So to reduce the friction in the sense to reduce the interlocking of the irregularities. Irregularities are nothing but can say friction. So we have to reduce the friction. Answer is option D. Very good. Coming to the next one. What is the valley or low portion of a sound wave is called? Low portion of a sound wave is called. Sorry, low portion of a wave, not a sound wave. Okay. Low portion of the wave or low portion of a transverse wave. If it is a transverse wave, then the question is correct. Yes, very good. So if it is a wave propagation, the upper part is crest or maximum point is crest. The lower point is trough. And what is the distance between two successive crests? Or what is the distance between two successive trough? Is nothing but you can say wavelength lambda. Okay, coming to the next one. What is the unit of measurement of very long distances between the celestial bodies? Between the celestial bodies. A very easy question. Very long distances. It is between the planets or celestial bodies. We can go with the light year. So the light year is nothing but in 1 year the light will reach the distance. Which of the following law states that electric current flowing through a metallic wire is directly proportional to difference or potential difference across the ends provided its temperature remain constant? As temperature constant, current I proportional to potential difference. This law is nothing but you can say very famous law, Ohm's law. Ohm's law. If you remove the proportionality constant, you will get V is equal to I into R. What is the R? R is the resistance. And what are the units of resistance? Ohms. Okay, potential difference units, volts. Current units, amperes. Units are very important, guys. Okay, so here Ohm's law, answer is option B. Very good, very good. What is the concept of spherical mirrors? What is the concept of spherical mirrors? I have already given about this. Our first question, spherical lenses they are asking in that exam. In this exam, they are asking spherical mirrors. So in the mirror, light will be reflected. So reflection. In case of lenses, light will be refracted. Refraction. So here reflection of the light. Answer is option A. Very good, Siri, Aran, Anita. Which of these is used to break the circuit or close the circuit? Break the circuit or close the circuit? If it is a circuit, simply a bulb circuit. Here apply the voltage and current is flowing. So what is this indication? What is this indication? This is nothing but can say switch. Okay, the switch is used to close or open. Okay, if it is a close, what will happen if the switch closes? Current flows through the circuit or through the bulb. So then bulb glow. Bulb glows. If the switch opens, okay, if it is open like this, then current is 0, then bulb will not glow. Okay, so the answer is option C, switch. Coming to the next one. In which medium does sound travel in maximum speed? Sound travel at maximum speed. Lens and mirror problems are, and I have already discussed in the topic wise MCQs in physics. These questions are 2019 previous year questions. Okay, so you can just click on the playlist. In the playlist, you can find out topic wise MCQs on physics. In that, I have done 3 sessions on light. So you can practice, you can watch that session. Okay, so sound travel at maximum speed. In case of solids, it is the maximum, especially in aluminium. After that, we have liquids. Liquids, it is in the order of 1500 like that. In case of solids, 5000 to 6000 meter per second. In case of gases, is very less. Okay, in case if you can consider air, 346 meter per second at room temperature. At room temperature. Okay, so that means in solids it is very high. So answer is option B. Answer is option B. So coming to the next question. What is the power equivalent to 1 kilowatt? Array, yaar, very easy question. What is the power equivalent to 1 kilowatt? A very easy question. Yes, 1 kilowatt is equal to 10 power 3 watts. That is 1000 watts. 1 megawatt is equal to 10 power 6 watts. That is 10 power 6 watt. We can also say that 1000 kilowatts. Okay. So the answer is option A. Keeping the potential difference as constant, the resistance is off. What happened to the current? What happened to the current? A very good. Very good, Siri, Venkat, Anita, Ashish. Very good. So we know very well what is the relation between voltage, current and resistance. V is equal to I into R. They are asking about the current. I is equal to V by R. And they said voltage is a constant or potential difference is a constant. There current is inversely proportional to resistance now. So here resistance is off. If the resistance is going to be off, whenever opposition is off, the current will be flows faster. So that means it will becomes 2 times. It will becomes 2 times. Inversely proportional, na? It is going to be half means it is going to be double. Answer is option A. Very good. Not C. It may not becomes 1 by 4. Okay, so we have the relation current is inversely proportional to resistance. As resistance of current will becomes double. Okay, you can't understand. Try to watch physics theory class, first class, electricity class. Then you will get understand. Here just I have taken Ohm's law. V is equal to I into R. From this current I is equal to V by R. What they have given, keeping voltage or potential difference is constant. If this is a constant, then current is inversely proportional with the resistance now. So if the resistance is off, if it is off, what happened to the current? Double. Current will becomes double. That is only. Answer is option A. Clear or not? A very easy one. Clear? So try to watch the first session in the physics theory class. I have given in detail explanation about all the terms. What is current, what is voltage, what is the resistance, what is the conductance, what is inductance, what is capacitance, what are the formulas, what is the energy, what is the power, electrical power. And I have in the MCQs, topic wise MCQs also nearly 1.5 hour session. I have explained each and every type of problem. Okay, if you watch, you can get easily. Coming to the next one. Which set of sign conventions is followed while dealing with reflection of the light by spherical mirrors? By the spherical mirrors. Here in the spherical mirrors, we go with the Cartesian sign convention. Cartesian sign convention. If you can consider in the concave mirror and in the convex mirror. Okay. So here pole, here center of curvature, here focus, here focus, here center of curvature. Focus to pole is nothing but focal length. Is nothing but can say focal length. So denoted with letter small f. Here from center to pole is nothing but can say radius of curvature na. So if we can consider it is a 0, all this is negative x-axis. Here positive x-axis. Okay, so that means it is the Cartesian sign. So here if you place any object before the mirror, that is in the negative x-axis, we can say that is a negative. Okay, u is considered as a negative. If the v is also formed here, v is also formed in the same axis, then also v is also considered as negative only. And what about the focal length? Focal length also in the negative x-axis, so focal length also negative. Okay, but in case of convex, here if you can consider it is a 0, it is the negative x-axis, it is the positive x-axis. So focus to pole, here focal length is positive. Focal length is positive. And what about the radius? Radius is also in the positive x-axis now. So it is also positive. So here we are taking Cartesian sign convention. So the answer is option D. Which of the following laws says that every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force which is proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them? A very easy question again. Force is proportional to their product and their distance square. Product and their distance square. Very good. So F is proportional to m1 m2 by d square. In this session also we have discussed what is that universal law of gravitation. So if you remove the proportionality constant, you will get the G. So what is the G value? G value is very important. G value, try to give the G value, anyone? 6.67 into 10 power minus 11. Units are also very important. Newton meter square per kg square. Newton meter square per kg square. It is a universal constant. The gravitational constant. It is constant at everywhere. Constant at everywhere. Sometimes you will get the question. In case of Earth, the gravitational constant G is G. What is the G value on the moon? On the moon also same G only. It is not changed. It is constant at everywhere. But small g changes. Small g changes. If the G on the Earth is G, if the G on the moon is G by 6. Okay. If you can consider weight also. Weight by 6. Weight on the moon is equal to weight on the Earth by 6. Okay. But mass may not changes. Mass is a constant. Mass G constant terms. Okay. In the same way, weight is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. So it will be changes. Small g changes. So that's why weight also changes. All of you clear? Those are also very important. Coming to the next question. Which medium does sound travel maximum speed? This one already completed. If a person weighs 66 kg on the earth, how much is weight on the moon is dash? Weight on the moon is dash. Yes, we know very well weight on the moon is equal to weight on the earth by 6. 66 by 6. That is equal to 11 kg. Okay. 11 kg. Okay. So here so many are worrying about their weight. Okay. 80 kgs, 90 kgs, 100 kgs, 110 kgs. No need of worry. If you go to the moon or if you go to the other planets, your weight will be changes. Okay. If you go to the moon, then your weight will be, if it is a 60 kg, then it will be 10 kgs only. If you are 120 also on the moon, it is a 20 kgs only. So it is not your mistake. It is a mistake of planet. Okay. So don't feel like that. Coming to the next one. What is the distance of principal focus from the pole of the spherical mirror is called dash? A very easy question. Just now I have given change. I am changing the. Just wait. Where is my pen? Just wait. I think my laptop is unstruck. It is not stuck. Okay. So the answer is focal length, guys. We have already discussed this one in this class also. Students, my lappy got struck. Okay. So we will discuss the remaining questions in the next session. Okay. Next session, same timing, tomorrow 7 p.m. Tomorrow 7 p.m. So all of you try to attend for the next session also. And I have given the links in the Telegram link in the description box. You can try to join in the Telegram group also. Okay. So I will share the updates. All of you, thank you so much for watching, and all of you try to click on like button, and also please share to all your friends. Thank you so much.